You tap send. And in that frozen moment, behind that single tap, a global network wakes up. The first thing to understand is that your wallet doesn't actually hold coins. It holds a private key. The coins themselves live as entries on a vast public ledger, the blockchain. So when you tap send, you're not moving coins, you're building a message. You enter an address, an amount, and a fee, which is really a priority bid for attention. Then, your private key creates a unique digital signature, authorizing the transfer without ever exposing itself. It never leaves your device. This signed transaction is then broadcast to thousands of independent computers, or nodes, across the planet. Each node instantly audits it, checking for a valid signature, unspent inputs, and the correct format. Once it passes, the transaction enters the mempool, a public waiting room where transactions are ranked by their fee. Now the competition begins. Miners, the network's record keepers, select the most profitable transactions from that waiting room to assemble the next block. They race to solve an incredibly difficult hash puzzle, a process called proof of work, that makes cheating economically pointless. When a miner wins, they propose their block to the network, and all the nodes validate it again. Once the network accepts that block, your payment gets its first confirmation. It's sent. But security stacks with time. Each new block added on top adds certainty. 1 confirmation means sent, around 3 is safe, and 6 is considered final for high-value transfers. It's now immutable, public, and verifiable. You can paste the transaction ID into any block explorer and see its status, fee, and confirmations for yourself. If there's a delay, it's usually due to network congestion or a low fee. You can wait, use a feature to fee bump it, or use the Lightning Network for instant payments. Ultimately, the security doesn't come from a bank vault. It comes from math, thousands of miners, and a massive distributed network of nodes. That one tap triggers a world-scale coordination machine, transparent, permissionless, and final.